Hi, if you're trying to control the data that is added to your CRM, your Zoho CRM, and make sure people when they add the state is always in the two letters, the abbreviation, or if you know about the validation rule, but you don't know how to work with that, this video is for you. This is Alex Vaz of Cornerstone Solutions. I'm going to show you how to use validation rule to control the data in your CRM. Go to the top right here to the setup. Under customization modules and fields, let's select one of the modules. Basically, what I'm going to present to you here works for any other module, but let's work with leads for now. Under leads, you have here validation rules. What it does to explain, let's give an example as I'm going to show you here. If you want to keep your data accurate in the way, let's say the state field, you want to always add the two letters, like the abbreviation, instead of adding the full name, you can use that to control. Let's click Create New Validation Rule. Let's choose the field, it's going to be for now state. That's based on the criteria. Let's keep the function for this one now. And here the criteria is going to be the state. We're going to use the number of characters. You could use like some specific information, contains, start, or not empty, but we are going to use the number of characters. If the number of characters, it's equals 2, okay? Let's click done. It goes and here, we give an error message. You need to use the state abbreviation, only 2 letters. And when we put this, the number of characters 2, that's the criteria. And we're seeing here that it's met. It means if we put 2 letters, it will show that. We need to change this to is not met. Let's save, and we're going to come back to show you the opposite from that. Let's go back here. Let's create a lead. Let's put Alex Vaz, emails alex@testing.com, company of Cornerstone Solutions. And we put here, we put street 1, May, street. Then we put state, let's put Texas, and we click save, it gives the error. If I put TX and save, it works. Another way that you can see the validation rule is thinking opposite. Let's change here, click state. We're going to change here. The number of characters is more than 2. It means we're going to change it. It's not met to is met. And let's click save. Let's go back again and add a new lead. Alex Vaz lead email @testing.com Solutions. If we put here Texas, we click save, it gives the message, the same thing. But the way, if we put TX, I click save, it goes through. It's just for you to understand that you can work on both directions. Is met or is not met. And you can do the same here to show the information. This can work with any field. You can find some information so you can keep your data clean and always in the same format throughout the organization. The good thing about that is when you have your data clean in the same format. You can create workflows based on that. You can define some criteria based on the information that you have. If you have any more questions about validation rule and how to work with that, if you have any other idea how to use it, contact us. It will be a pleasure to help you. Have a fantastic day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.